iFlight XL5.5 Maiden.
A little tree ain't gonna stop us, is it? Oh, I haven't flown in a while and it shows, guys. So hey, this is the iFlight XL5.5 frame for Jason Fireplay FPV. And okay already, turn you off, right. And it's got a Foxeer arrow, the CCD camera, the newer version up front. I'm actually liking it quite a bit. I had to go with the Mamba MK2 stack because the Success stack was out of stock and they kept taking forever trying to replenish it. So I went with that new Diatone Power Tower one. Seems to be doing all right. Betaflight 4.0.6 on here, stock. I didn't touch anything. I went with the Rush Ultimate Tank Plus, the newest version of their VTX, and damn, that video feed looked really good. I'm happy with it. Lollipop antenna, nano receiver. Noticed a little stutter, some high-speed oscillations, and that I flew like crap. I wouldn't be tuning on these props anyway. They're just Gep RC 5040s, and this is a 5.5-inch frame, so might put some bigger ones on here. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. It was fun just to get out and fly. I've been sick all week, so all right, man. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Bye.